In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to draw some rectangles inside this rectangle. So up to this point, the array looks like this. You saw that to change all the values of the array, we use this syntax. If you want to change only some values of the array, again you use the same syntax, but in this case you want to specify some numbers, because this here means that includes everything from 0 to the last item. So basically everything will be replaced with that. But in this case, we are only replacing the items from 1 to 3 with, let's say, red. So 255 for red, 0 for green, 0 for blue. That means this is going to be entirely red. Make a red patch. Execute. And this is the canvas. Let me put it here. So 1, 3 will extract the rows with index 1 and 2. 3 is not included in the slice, so only 1 and 2. Those rows. Which are those? Well, the first row with an index of 0, don't forget indexing starts from 0, is this one in here. This row of 4 pixels. A pixel is somewhere here, 1 is somewhere here, 1 is somewhere here, and the 4th is somewhere in here. That's the row with index 0, and we don't change that. We are changing the row with index 1, which is this one in here, somewhere in here, and the row with index 2. So we are accessing these 2 rows and setting this kind of pixels for those 2 rows. If you want to change the column instead, you do that. So that means all the rows, but the columns from index 1, so 0, index 0 here, index 1 in here. And index 2 as well, so those 2 columns are included in the slice. And if you want a particular area, let's say we want this area in here, so a square. What are the rows? Well, not the first row, but the second row and the third row. The second row and the third row. The second row has an index of 1, the third row has an index of 2, so we end up with 3, right? Execute, and this is what we get. If you go 1 to 4, you are going to get 1, 2, 3 rows. The row with index 1, the row with index 2, the row with index 3. And 4 is not included in the slice. Let's try to shift this block into the corner here. How do we do that? Well, that would be, we're talking about 0. So the first row is included in the slice, up to 3, I think, yeah. And column 0, up to 2, I believe, yeah. Yes, that works. If you want another color, let's try a random color. It has to be up to 255, not more than that. Yeah, we got some sort of orange or brownish. How about adding some blue, like 233? It's going to get a bit pinkish, yeah. So similarly, we can now add more shapes in that canvas. Let's say 3, try something random, but try to be inside those dimensions of the canvas. Yeah, but let me make it another color. Okay. And so you can add as many shapes as you want in your image. And this is how you create an image with different blocks, different shapes in it, and different colors. Thanks for following. I'll talk to you later.